como pueden ver ya mojé todo el motor. As you can see, I washed all the engine. I forgot to tape the battery, but so anyway, this is the way it looks now. Pretty clean. Se ve más limpio, al menos que antes se ve más limpio. So, ok, después de que terminan, lo dejan secar un minuto, después prenden el carro, lo dejan prendido para que se seque completamente. Okay, after you're done, just leave it for a few minutes, then start the engine and just leave it there so it will dry up. Leave it there, leave it with the engine on for a few minutes, and that's all. Thank you very much. This is X-Ray Echo 2 Papa Juliet Alpha, over and out.